Hi, my name is Majid, and in this video I'll go through explaining RosterManager for you and how to create a simple roster from scratch. In subsequent videos I'll explain and show you how to use the advanced features and tools when creating a roster with RosterManager. I will also show you how to generate invoices based on a flat rate and also how to generate invoices based on multiple rates depending on the different tasks performed on the site or the sites. So in this video I'll show you how to create a roster for a site or a location from scratch, and also I will be showing you how to add, edit, delete a roster shift, how to move a roster record from one day to another day, how to assign the shift to a different employee in case you've done a mistake, how to confirm a single shift or multiple shifts, and also how to tentative a single shift or multiple shifts for an employee. And then at the end of this video I'll briefly show you how to create the invoice based on the rostered hours. As you can see, this is the roster screen and it is laid out in a calendar format, which is very easy and convenient layout that makes sense and also very easy to look at and understand. So yeah, let's go to the roster screen and start working and creating a new roster from scratch. So supposedly we want to go and work with Delta Construction, so we go to the list of the sites we have. So let's just type in Delta. So here we go, Delta Constructions. Now the roster screen has a lot of features in it. The first one is the navigation arrows that takes you to next week's and previous weeks. So previous and the previous weeks, that will take us to the previous week, and so on. And as we can see, we can always preview the previous history of that site. How many hours did we do in it, who did the jobs, and how many chargeable hours to our clients and non-chargeable hours, and the how many shifts. Also bear in mind that if we deal with clients, and we can select the client we wanted. So let's say SND security, and this is all the sites that belongs to SND. We can select secure services. We can see all the sites that belongs to SND or secure services. So let's go back and go to Delta Constructions. I think Delta Construction belongs to premium security. So if we go and select Delta Constructions, and this is our roster. We are interested in creating a new roster for a new week ending, so we'll just pick up week ending 16th of June 2013. So let's start doing the roster and creating a new roster. Okay, to add a new shift to RosterManager or to our site, all what we have to do right now is double click on the date header to add a new record. Supposedly we're gonna add a shift for Monday for Paul, so we're gonna go to Monday, double click on Monday, and then we can see a list of all the employees in our company. So we're gonna type in Paul. So Paul is here, double click on it, and then select whether the shift is confirmed or tentative. Let's say it is confirmed, and Paul is gonna work from 10 o'clock till 1600, and then hit the save button. As we can see right now, Paul has a shift on Monday from 10 o'clock till 1600. The total hours is 6 hours. Okay, supposedly Paul has the same shift on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. He's making the same shifts for all these days. So RosterManager can allow us and will allow us to copy that shift into the rest of the days very easily and with a drag and drop. So let's go ahead and do it. So we'll have to drag that record and put it in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Very easy, very simple. Okay, let's also add 2 new records for Saturday and Sunday. And let's say Alex actually works on Saturday and Sunday, and we need to add him to the roster. So we just double click on Saturday header here, as we can see, or on the empty cell. So double click on the empty cell and type in Alex. Alex is there, selected for us. Double click on it, and we're gonna say it's a confirmed shift, and he's starting, let's say, from 1400 till 1800, and then hit the save button. Okay, so Alex right now is rostered to work on Saturday, and he's also working and making the same shift on Sunday. Drag and drop. Here we go. It's copied. Okay, what about tentative shifts? How RosterManager can deal with tentative shifts? Well, tentative shifts actually by nature is a tentative. It's not confirmed yet. Supposedly, Paul has called in the office and he said he's not sure whether he's gonna make Thursday and Friday. He's not sure yet. So to make Paul's Thursday and Friday tentative, all what we have to do is just go to Thursday, right mouse click and click make tentative shifts. Go Friday, right mouse click and make tentative shifts. So right now the colors has turned into red, as you can see. Okay, at this stage right now I want to show you the little nice window in the upper right corner of the screen, which gives you a brief information about your current site status. Whether you are adding, editing or deleting shift, the window will always give you updated information about your current roster status. So we currently have a total of 5 confirmed shifts, as we can see here. All right, and the confirmed shifts or the chargeable hours is 26 hours. Non-chargeable hours or tentative hours is 12. Okay, bear in mind that confirmed shifts is chargeable to the clients. What does that mean? Well, RosterManager allows you to generate invoices and charge to your clients if you provide them with services like you are a security company or a cleaning company or any kind of a company that provides services to other clients. So RosterManager actually will generate the invoice based on your roster. So at this stage right now, only the chargeable hours will be charged to the clients, and non-chargeable hours will not be charged to the clients. So you gotta make sure at the end of the week that all your shifts is confirmed, everything is confirmed, no tentatives, and so on. We will discuss that billing and invoicing in more depth and details actually in a later video when the time comes in. Okay, let's say that Paul at this time has called and he said he's now confirmed and he will be able to work on Thursday and Friday. As you can see, Thursday and Friday for Paul is still tentative, but he just rang and he said he will be able to do it. So we'll go ahead and confirm these shifts to do. It's very simple, just right mouse click and then say confirm shift, right mouse click and then confirm shift. Okay, now let's add new shifts for John. Actually, John is an employee and he works also with Delta construction site, so we need to add him and give him some shifts. So we gotta go and double click on say Monday, select John. I think his number is 41. So John Polano confirmed. He's working from, let's say, 1300 to 1900 and hit the save button. So John is working on Tuesday, he's working on Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, one of the nice tools that we have in RosterManager is to confirm, is actually to tentative all the shifts for one particular employee. So supposedly John, we need to make all his shifts as tentative in one go instead of going one by one. So just right mouse click on John name and then select tentative all shifts for John Polana. In one go, in one click, all his shifts right now is becoming tentative, and as we can see here right now, non-chargeable hours or tentative shifts becoming 36 hours. Okay, to confirm all his shifts right now, just right mouse click on John and select confirm all shifts for John, and then in one go, done. Okay, let's go and delete one of these shifts actually, which made a mistake for John. So let's delete, let's say Thursday shift actually. It was there by mistake, so it's a matter of right mouse click and then select to delete. That's all what we have to do. Okay, one other nice feature here we have is to delete all the shifts for a particular employee. Supposedly we need to delete all the shifts for Alex. So how do you do that instead of going one record by one record and deleting it? So just right mouse click on Alex name and then we have an option here says delete all Alex Busu shifts. Let's go and do it. Delete. Are you sure that's a confirmation message that will pop up? Then we'll have to say yes or no. So we'll go ahead and do yes. So everything for Alex has been deleted, as you can see, in one go, and instead of going manually from one record to another record. Okay, let's go ahead and add Alex again, otherwise he's not happy that he's losing his shift. So we'll just go ahead and do it. So double click on Saturday and we'll select his name. So Alex, I think his number 90, and he's confirmed from, as I recall, from 1200 till 1900. Put in the save, drag and drop it for Sunday. Okay, what about if we assign the shift to the wrong person? Supposedly Paul's Saturday shift, which is here, should have been assigned to John. How do we do that? Well, there's two ways of doing it. The first way, or the first method, is just to copy it and put it into Paul's Saturday shift, and then we go ahead and delete the Saturday shift. We don't want to do that. Actually, there is a faster way of doing it, so we'll go back. The faster way of doing it is to hold the control key actually while we are dragging from Saturday into Paul's Saturday shift and drop it right there. Now this is, if you can see right now, it has deleted in one go, it has deleted John's Saturday shift and moved it into Paul's Saturday shift. So if we're gonna move a shift actually from one day to another day, it's very simple, very easy. Let's go ahead and do it also for John. We want to move his Sunday shift into Friday shift actually. So we'll hold the control key and drag it into Friday. Here we go. Very simple, very easy. Okay, at this time we come to an end with this video. Make sure to go ahead and watch the next video that will explain more advanced features of RosterManager.